Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sporty Box. Igama lami Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle emakhaya, niyaphila. Niyazi bafethu ukuthi every time hlezi ngicela into. Please ungakhohlwa ukulike and to subscribe to the channel. Kodwa ke uma usubscribeile, ungakhohlwa ukungishare ulike, ngawenza omkhulu umehluko futhi ngingabonga kakhulu. Danko. Asivele sihlalo udabeni. Breaking news, the coach from Stellenbosch by the name of Steve Barker or Steve Ovo finally uzowathola i-team, especially after everything emehlakalelayo laphana ku Stellenbosch, of which I think ukuthi he deserves that opportunity ukuthi ayocoach a big club, especially yase Tanzania, Simba SC. Sazi kahle ukuthi la yakhona ke uyohlangana nama familiar faces esiwaziyo, Nomayema and Roshan Deruk. We know very well ukuthi laba khona bebalethe ngokuthi bekhona ucoach uFatlu Davids, but he departed and went to Raja Casablanca le Morocco because I think they offered a better salary compared to not young but Simba SC. But le ndaba lezi zifika, we know very well ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs balobali ngama coaches, especially coaches that can coach Kaizer Chiefs, take the head coach job from Cedric Gaza and Khaled Ben Yusuf. But okwamanje kusesenje ama-links, there's nothing concrete ephathekayo ukuthi this can be the coach ozocoach Kaizer Chiefs. But the reason why I'm bringing this up ukuthi in all the coaches that are being linked with the Kaizer Chiefs, no one seems to recommend Steve Barker or have recommended Steve Barker to Kaizer Chiefs. And you have to wonder why. Because Steve Barker, to be honest, is one of the underrated coaches in South Africa, especially with this partner Shaile with this Stellenbosch. Wakwazi ukubatholela trophy, wafika kuma finals la bekadliwa khona, and obvious badliwa team efana ne-Orlando Pirates, of which vele it is not going to be an easy game, especially kuma finals. But now njengoba hamba ayale bengekumsole, I for one I wouldn't blame him ukuthi ahambe, especially trying by all means ukuthi uyenze i-team ibe competitive. But abantu abakuphethe, as we understand ukuthi football is business, and Stellenbosch is one of the teams that are a selling club. You can't be there trying by all means ukuthi you test your tactical flexibility, but all the time your players that you rely on, your best players, are being sold. Khanjisa uPasadine, kuhanjisa uJaden Adams, kuhambisa uNduli. Now is bazohambisa uDion to Orlando Pirates. And then how do you expect him ukuthi abe competitive? Because even if they try ukuthi bamlethele ama players amasha, kusamele babambe i-system and kwanaye akanaso isikhathi enough ukuthi anga experimenta so that azothola ama result. So he has to rely on ma players afana nabo Langelihle Phila, abo Omega Mdaka, of which they don't have that vast experience. But obviously they will get integrated, but bazolokuba compete and they will grow in terms of experience and bazo understand what does the game demands of them. But now for him this is a good opportunity. But Kaizer Chiefs, if now they were looking for a coach, I think now Steve Barker can be one of the candidates behind was good. I coach a Kaizer Chiefs, but people are still having that notion of it. There's no South African coach that can be able to succeed in Natural after the tenure of Mlifenzeki, Kelvin Johnson, Kevin Hunt, including Steve Compare, because they think Kaizer Chiefs is big to be coached by a South African coach. But they are the same ones that are saying if Umlungisi or Rulane Peplites can come to Natural, he can be able to change a Kaizer Chiefs. Of which I believe it can be true, because Umlungisi is one of the coaches I can say as a young coach, has innovative ideas, is ambitious, and he's able to bring out the best in players because he demands more from them. He wants them to prove themselves to him. No, you are capable of what? We saw him a coach alapana in Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns was a formidable team. It was difficult to beat. Yazi yadliwa ngegame yokugcina. Umvala wenza mistake that costed the team ukuthi babe an invincible team. and waya kuye iWydad Casablanca, even though izinto zingabanga kahle, but he turned the team around. Now he's doing wonders le eMorocco, wenza imilingo not eMorocco but eAlgeria for a team called MC Alger. So you can see ukuthi ngathi sekunobumenemene phakathi. Also abanye they were saying ukuthi even ucoach Pitso Mosimane can help the club ukuthi ayishaye kube ne turnaround, but obviously there's one thing that is needed if you want to do that. Have patience and give the coach your full support. Understand with changing a team and making sure that you are building a solid, a strong team. It requires more than a season. But for Steve Barker, I don't think if Kaizer Chiefs have acquired for his services, bebazoba nayo that patience, because mabangakuthanda abantu or mawungekho ematheni most of the time kuba difficult for people ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bakuvouchele for such coaching gigs, especially for a team like Kaizer Chiefs. But la yakhona na kanjani he's going to have a successful stint, because we know ukuthi he's a capable coach, especially given the players that are good enough, having the tools to give him the results that he wants. And cabanga sakhuluma ngayo Steve Barker, Kaizer Chiefs, obviously many people were linking Devin Titus to Kaizer Chiefs, and right now Devin Titus, it was confirmed by Umazola J. Molefe ukuthi he has agreed a deal in principle with Stellenbosch, meaning ukuthi uzoqhubeka na Stellenbosch, because there was a competition ne-Al Masry beyimfuna, but it seems like they've agreed a deal kusho ukuthi bakwazile ukumeet ama demands wakhe. So for a winger Kaizer Chiefs sekumele uyobheka elsewhere. I suppose ukuthi kumele sibheke ke it's either Puso Rithejane or kumele siyobheka yena uSiyanda Ndlovu kuyo lapha yana Golden Arrows. And ngokuzwa kwami it seems like ukuthi if the rumors are true ngazathi Orlando Pirates ngathi bayishayile ngomfana, and mawuthi uyabheka vele those are kind of players Orlando Pirates iyobabheka. They don't sign superstars but they make superstars. Bheka boMbuthuma bantu bebangabanaki, but his potential was evident, was good enough ukuthi babethe on. But asikho lapho Devin Titus uzoqhubeka abe player le Stellenbosch, ngingasabheki khona ke Makhosi. And for a number 10, as we were saying ukuthi sifuna number 10, no Mayema, I think the arrival of coach Steve Barker can give him assurance ukuthi ngizohlala la, because there's a familiar face I know, and having uDeruk lawa eduze kwami simply means that I am covered, not unless if Kaizer Chiefs can propose a deal that he cannot turn down, because we know very well ukuthi khuluma imali mayingekho imali ayindaba yakhe ayikhulunywa. But Mfundo Vilakazi, as people are saying ukuthi abamdlalise ku number 10 simbone ukuthi uphetheni, because leye winger ngazathi yamahama, because umfana uyambonga ukuthi enjoys playing kuma narrow channels compared to ama-wide, because every time he receives the ball he wants to cut inside, have a shot at goal. If he is ballooning the ball over the bar, or if he shy shot on target, goalkeeper makes a decent save. But manje this does confirm something ukuthi if it happens ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izothola coach, kuzoba coach that ozoyenza sure ukuthi i-team iba ilento labayifuna. But for now into engizoyicela ukuthi let's be patient and give our full support to our co-coaches, because kubhlungu ukuthi uthi unento but ufuna enye into. Lona osabambile it feels like ukuthi he's useless, but it's not the case, because siyabona ukuthi yabafana bayidlala ibhola, but into ewashoda ngayo is the end product, akukora ama goals. Kwamanye ama games you can understand, but kwamanye you cannot, because the pressure is not that you are not winning. The pressure is seeing Orlando Pirates doing better than Kaizer Chiefs. That's the real pressure, because I know ukuthi balokhu bafikile nje, balokhu bakwazi bephindelela wathi no, ngoba basibiza ngale gama leli ningalithandi, but saba boCinderella nathi sagqoka isicathulo sasilingana. But asikho lapho ke, let's hope ukuthi nisese kahle, ningakhohlwa ke ukuthi ikhosi aliphele umoya. And angazi ukuthi how do you feel about le ndaba lezi, because asona sonke sicabanga ukufana. Could it it maybe ukuthi Steve Barker was given an opportunity to coach iKaizer Chiefs, beyazoba successful or beyazofail? Comment lapha yana ku comment section below. And another thing, who do you recommend ukuthi singamsigna as a right winger? Who do you think can be a good coach for iKaizer Chiefs? Yabo, but ningakhohlwa bafethu, like and subscribe to the channel.